what is holistic facial? Like maybe you hear it a lot lately, and also that's what I do in my salon. But what is it? So basically, holistic facial, holistic is talking about the whole. It's like I'm looking on you as a whole body, not just on the symptoms of the skin. And that gives me a lot of more point of view to understand the root cause of maybe of your skin condition. So holistic facial has many benefits, and it's really more than just a skin dip. It combines the techniques of traditional facial with therapeutic effects of holistic massage, and it takes, and again, it's the most important, it takes the whole person into consideration in the treatment, not just spots on the skin. Instead of using invasive procedure and chemicals, holistic facial focuses on a variety of herbal infusions, of oils, and energy and massage techniques to increase circulation, remove toxins from the body, and stimulate the production of collagen, keeping the skin looking young and healthy. It's also great for releasing tension in the body and in the skin. And when we are less stressed and more relaxed, our skin heals better. Makes sense. Your skin is your biggest organ, and it's a reflection of everything that's going on inside of you, of your body, physically and emotionally. And the skin needs to maintain correct balance to function at its best, from emotional to balance emotional stress and hormonal imbalance from certain diet and lifestyle and pollution. Your skin is consistently trying to balance itself against internal and external factor, which is why holistic approach of skincare is so important. So the holistic facial involves treating the skin and the person, like the skin and the mind and the soul as a whole. It brings into consideration the bigger picture and understand the root cause of the skin imbalance that can work energetically and support the mind, the body, and the soul, so we can keep this all in balance and order. Some of the benefit, if I want to mention them, of the holistic facial and why is it good to have it in your wellness and self-care ritual. Among the other benefit of a facial is that it will nourish the skin and brighten complexion, reduce stress and tension and anxiety, improve the texture of the skin, correct and rebalance skin condition, soften lines and wrinkles, stimulates the removal of toxins from the tissues, relieve headache, as I said, relieve tension and pressure that you feel somewhere in your body that affects your skin, create an overall feeling of well-being, tone and lift the facial muscles, and promote, and also another benefit, promote more restful sleep, because it relaxes your body and your nervous system. So before we start the holistic facial in my salon, in Pure Salon, I begin always with a consultation, and I explain what we do and what we're going to do, and I want to hear from you what your concerns are, if you have any allergy, how you feel, and I will try to feel your energy regarding stress and everything that comes with that. And then every session is personally tailored to you, to the person, taking into account your overall well-being, what you're dealing with, what you share, your energy, how you feel, and your skin condition. And all the products used in the treatment, of course, are 100% natural, organic, and high performance to nourish and restore the skin. During the holistic facial, we seeking to nourish the whole system. Like I said, I treat you as a whole, and so using products that are all natural and organic and non-toxic, like aromatherapy, will give a lot of benefit emotionally and physically. One of the deepest benefit of holistic facial is to allow yourself time and space on a regular basis to check in with yourself, to reconnect and realign and relax your body and your soul, because this kind of treatment is super relaxing. So you not only get the treatment of the skin, but because the soul and your emotions are being addressed as well, you elevate your state and you feel more relaxed and balanced when you get out. I intentionally created a safe space in the treatment rooms, two safe spaces in the treatment rooms in order to help you to let go and truly relax and trust, because the power of a human touch is also so important. And I think when you come to a place and you feel that it's like candles and there's no dark spotlights and the music is very low and you get into a warm bed, you can feel safe and relax and start to let go, which is where the deepest transformation and healing takes place. So you're very welcome and very invited and to book yourself your time. And if you have any question, please contact me.